Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week I bring you a CyberPunk 2077 home screen setup. This is going to be a follow-up to my video on how to customize your Android home screen like a pro. So if you haven't already, make sure you check it out. And following that format, I'm going to show you how you can take a basic home screen setup and turn it into something like this. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. So let's take this blank stock home screen and turn it into this. So the first thing you want to do is head to the Play Store and install Nova Launcher and its Pro version Nova Launcher Prime. And next, for our widgets, we're going to install KWGT and the Pro Key version. Next, just simply follow the on-screen instructions from Nova Launcher and then just remove any unwanted icons from your screen until you have something that looks like this. So now that we have the fundamentals set up on your phone, let's start customizing our home screen. Personally, I like to use the full real estate of my screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is hide my phone's status bar. Just simply head to the Nova Launcher settings, look and feel, and then disable the show notification bar. This is going to remove those ugly status bar icons from your home screen and give you that minimalistic look. Next, let's get some retro icons. Just simply head back to the Play Store and install RadPack ADs, the free edition. After which, just head back to the Nova Launcher settings, look and feel, click on icon styles, and then change the icon theme. Next, let's talk about the custom live wallpaper. This you're going to be able to grab from my own custom collection app, which will be available on the Play Store from the first week of May. Currently, I'm just working on a few bug fixes to make sure it's compatible with everyone's phones. Just simply navigate to the live video section and select one of the live wallpapers for your home screen. Once the app goes live, I'll add a link in the description below, as well as make a channel announcement for everyone that's subscribed. Now that that's out of the way, let's make our icons stand out from the background with a backdrop of their own. Just simply head back into the Nova settings, home screen, dock, and click on dock background. So here, you're going to be able to customize the background for the dock icons, adjusting the shape, color, and transparency. The code for the color that you're going to be using is on screen now. Just type this in here. Now let's move on to our KWGT widget. What I like to do is load in the KWGT 4x4 layout and then adjust it to meet my requirements. Tapping on it, you'll open the widget maker. And if you have any pre-installed KWGT packs from the Play Store, this is where you would find them and load them in. But in this tutorial, we're going to do something different. We're actually going to make our own. Just simply hit the new icon in the top right corner and let's get started. The first thing you want to do is hit that plus icon and add in a shape. Tap on it from the item list and now we can start manipulating. For a full guide on KWGT manipulation for beginners, make sure you check out my other video. The link will be in the description below. Now let's change the shape from the default square to a rectangle and start manipulating it into something a bit more elegant. And to stand out from the white backdrop, I'm going to change the color to black and reposition the shape to the left of the screen. Next, let's add a digital clock to the widget. Just simply hit the plus icon again and choose text. By default, this will be preset to a clock element. Now simply just change the font style, matching what I'm indicating on screen, and then change the size, color, and positioning, same as before. Now let's finish off this widget by adding in a date element. Just simply click the plus icon, text, and now we can change this from a clock element to a date. Now head into the item by tapping on it and then tap on text. Now simply tap on the formula editor section and enter the code I'm displaying on screen. Next, just reposition, resize, and change the color to white. And don't forget to hit save before you leave. Now the final piece of this home screen setup, the upside down music visualizer. This comes courtesy of Moves. It provides various visualizer styles as well as allowing you the ability to customize the color, shape, thickness, and speed. This is definitely an app that you want to check out. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.